guys, hey angels, it's LashGo here, my new top, and it's doesn't have an extra t-shirt, it's just a look, and buttons down the side, little diagram there. Alright guys, now it's time for the unboxing. I'm excited, yeah! I hope yous all are doing well, staying positive and reaching your goals and being happy. That's the main thing. If you're not happy, well, talk to me and I'll help you. Alright guys, we've got a couple of parcels here. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all Hot Wheels, I think. So let's start off with the smallest one, which is this one. Let's do this. Yeah! From a Speed Racer. I didn't have a Speed Racer, so I wanted one, so I'll open it up a bit later. Go with this one next. Two short cards. Lamborghini Countach, and a custom 15 Ford Mustang. I thought the tampon was on there. Well, yeah, the tampons and vents. Okay, let's open up this one now. Got more from eBay again. Says thank you, Ryan. Noodles. Well packaged. Ordered that many cars, I can't remember what I've got, what I brought. Oh, that's nice. It's a Camaro Z28. Hot Wheels. That's how they paint. You can't really see it, guys, but it's glittery. Alright, next we'll open this one. I'll try and find a seal to cut it open. Very well packaged, which is good to see. I'd rather it be very hard to get into, because then you know that your product's well protected. A big box for one little car. Any extras? No. eBay, you don't get any extras. We've got a 16 Cadillac ATS VR, I think it is. Spoiler on the back. Right, we're on to the big one, the last one. Seem to buy a lot of these from this guy. The little red truck. It's in New South Wales, Australia. Always packages them really nice. He always gives me good deals. So hard doing it on my bed. Oh, okay, this is a set that I wanted. I'll show you guys in a minute after I just unwrap it. All I need now is the Camaro. If you got it, send it, please, so I can complete my set. Wasn't going to worry about getting this set, but everyone seems to be getting it, so it's a Hot Wheels 50 anniversary set, number 1. Bone Shaker. Number 2. Twin Mill. I'm sorry about the glare, guys. Roger Dodger, number 3. '68 Dodge Dart. It's number 4. '64 Impala. Number 5. Last one, 65 Ford Ranger. If I said it wrong, I'm sorry. All I need now is that gold Camaro. Please help me out. So that's the set there. All that mess there on my bed, just for a few cars. Alright, now I'll show you the haul that I got. Got the set there, the 50th anniversary set, just need that special Camaro. Lamborghini, Mustang, Cadillac, and Speed Racer. It's a Speed Racer. Six. There's another version of the Speed Racer as well, which I don't have. It's like a Formula 1 car. It does say Hot Wheels. Doesn't want to focus. So that's my haul, with the rubbish included. Oh, I almost threw this one out. It's in my rubbish. That Camaro, it's nice. Alright guys, so you've seen what I got. The unboxing of some more Hot Wheels to add to my collection. If you can help me out with that gold Camaro, that'd be awesome. And please guys, subscribe. Help me get to 100, please. Tell your friends about me. You know I do all kinds of different stuff. Spinners, dancing, singing, spiritual stuff, cars, toys, slime. I do all kinds of different stuff. Because you guys are important to me. You guys are my family and I love you all so much. So please subscribe. Hit the bell button so you know that I've uploaded a new video. And can you please can you comment down below? Please comment down below, so I know that you passed by, and tell me your favourite car or what videos you want me to do. And yeah, gotta hit that like button, please. so I know how many people have watched the video and liked it. It's very important to me, all those things. Subscribe if you're new, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. So subscribe, hit the bell button, like and comment down below, please. These 4 things, well 5 things, and watch the whole video please, are very important to me. Got lots of subscribers, but they don't seem to watch my videos. So please guys, and remember, stay on your track, reach those goals. Alright, I love yous all. So stay awesome, stay cool, stay super cool, mate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Love yous all, angels. Bye.